4 days, 4 nights here. HeiPi.
HeiPi，我要带爸爸回家了，你快一点。
On March 23rd, 2024, a hiker surnamed Chen didn't return from his trip in the Xiong Kong area of the new Taipei region. Mr. Chen went hiking together with his young female dog HeiPi. I drove over 3 hours early in the morning and started searching at 7 a.m. Almost immediately, I met a big street dog.
You wanna help me?
His family reported the disappearance of their father the same evening. The fire brigade and volunteers started searching the next day. Meanwhile, Facebook posts from Mr. Chen's son brought more attention to the case.
Go home! Go home or lead me. You can choose. Hey, don't go with me.
The dog was friendly and joined me
Go.
in the first part of the search along the river.
Shit. 8 meters waterfall. That's sharp stuff. Whoa. Here is some old rope. That's incredible. There must be some hunters.
A witness claimed to have seen a black dog waiting near top of Mount Jia Jiu Ling around 11 a.m. but did not see his owner. The dog seemed to be waiting and watching the trail leading to the mountain. This mountain was within 2 hours hiking from a trail entry, where Mr. Chen's car was found parked near Xiongkong Bridge. Many SAR units searched all trails in this area, but neither the missing man nor his dog were found.
Some old rope. My God. Waterfall. Fucking balloon. Maybe I should take it. 520 meters. Here's some old wire.
Later, another hiking team reported talking to a man with a dog around 12:50 and told him how to navigate with offline maps on his cell phone. But the group could not say which way he went at the next intersection. Mr. Chen's family contacted us for assistance, providing very clear information and answering our questions. Unfortunately, they could not provide cell phone data logs, which would have been extremely helpful for my search preparation on the computer. I agreed to join the search, mainly because I feel sympathy for the hiker who had adopted a street dog. I was also curious why the dog has not been spotted yet. His cell phone data was examined by the SAR coordinator, and a hot zone was set near the first mountain. Since I had no chance to study the cell phone logs, I decided to search near the first mountain, directly in a steep creek from the bottom. I searched very difficult creeks and cliffs. I personally did not believe he was missing in that area, but I have no more information at the time. I learned that his cell phone was on from 4 p.m. to 10 a.m. the next day, but it was not possible to call it. He suggested he might have had an accident, or he could be injured in an area with a weak signal. But where was his dog?
For search and rescue.
I'm very familiar with the Xiong Kong area. Having organized a trail running event at the location, it was extremely tough course. Later, another witness reported seeing a hiker with his dog near Zhu Keng Shan around 2:30 p.m. which is way further north and indicated that he did an O-loop over the ridge.
Amazing. Like usually, I spend here so many years maintaining trails.
It started raining, and it reminded me how tough these forests can be.
That was really so long time ago. This is crazy weather again.
It was cold and raining, but I kept going. I remembered certain dangerous sections where accidents could happen. It has been exactly 2 years since an intense search for a missing hiker in a nearby area. On the way, I called the dog's name HeiPi, which means black skin, but sounds like happy in English. After the mission was over, my wife was shocked to realize it could be the same dog. Dog called Happy, which we met during a family hike 3 months ago, just before Christmas.
它叫 Happy，Happy，Happy，快乐，对，快乐，叫
Happy. She was such a playful and loyal dog. Her owner gave snacks to my daughters, we chatted, and even took a photo together. This was not just a coincidence.
Xiong Kong Shan.
I reached Xiong Kong Mountain and had to decide my next direction.
Where is he? There used to be old house. This is our original direction. Now they make this.
Even though I have been to this area many times, I never had a chance to visit a nearby cave system. From GPX records, I found out that the SAR team had already searched near the cave system. I returned and discerned another trail ridge where SAR had not yet searched. There are many rope sections where accidents could happen, especially if you carry a dog. I searched for potential cliff falls along the trail and checked cell tower logs, which were often identical to his last records, but found nothing.
We check cell phone reception, which I just get, like after 2-3 days of asking, we just get it.
Returning down, I met Mr. Chen's sons in the SAR headquarters and finally could learn more about the cell phone logs records. We all deduced and agreed to move hot zone near Xiongkong Mountain on side of the monkey caves. The family booked accommodation for me nearby, so I could have proper rest, as tomorrow would be a long day. During the night, I revised all the information. The new hot zone was the most accurate, but there was one trail which led to the wild part of the mountain and to the river. This could explain why the dog had not been found even after 4 nights out. The hiker could be lost or injured there. I knew most of the SAR units would go to the cave at the morning, but I decided to scope out the river and the side trail first. However, the vegetation in Taiwan mountains always complicates searching from the air. So I went in by myself.
the trail, and here is Side Creek. Somewhere here is the trail. I even do not see it. There is rope. Let's see the pen. Wow. Oh, firefight is with here. Wow.
It was not easy, and I did not find the missing hiker. But it reduced the searching area back to the cave system.
Wow. Somebody just do nice view, I guess. What is this joke? I was here yesterday.
After 9 AM, I was above the caves and I hear a dog barking below where the caves were. Initially I thought it could be a SAR dog. Quickly checking the map, I realized climbing down directly would be too dangerous. The black dog responded to the rescuers' whistles. I went around and met the SAR teams. HeiPi stood on the side of the dead owner's body and didn't leave him for 4 nights. Mr. Chen had a fatal accident. He slipped from an upper cliff and fell down.
HeiPi. You are so good dog. 4 days, 4 nights here. 4 nights with owner. HeiPi.
It was heartbreaking to witness. This black dog just take a sip of water from us and going back to protect her owner's body. I had to return to the trailhead and lead Mr. Chen's son to the place of the accident. Hungry and thirsty HeiPi stayed by her owner's side for so many days and nights. It was so touching. The dog finally recognized the familiar voice and came to him.
HeiPi, so good.
The police personnel arrive and investigate the accident.
The bicycle, bicycle.
Although sad, the mission was over. I walked down from the mountains and decided to donate the search fee to the Dog Care Association in our hometown. I really appreciate the volunteers' efforts to care for abandoned animals. I also appreciate the loyalty and love of our street breed dogs. I believe that my family meeting HeiPi and Mr. Chen prior to this accident was not just a coincidence. It shows me how family, mountains and animals can give you happiness and purpose in life. Be careful out there. Your safety is your responsibility.